Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ilyas bin Fuad. So for this video, me and my group will discuss about the chapter 4 topic, which is the information industry, and our subtopic is the dissemination of the information goods. So this group consists of 4 students, which is me, Hanis, Mira, and Ethan. Without wasting any more time, let's begin.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurulsyah Intarusdiana binti Suhaimi. Today I will talk about dissemination of the information goods via mobile phone. Today's mobile devices are able to disseminate information in many ways. Each of these dissemination technologies offers distinct advantages and disadvantages depending on the mode of operation. Currently, there are 5 widely adopted methods of information dissemination in use of mobile technology, including podcast, VCast, custom mobile application, traditional websites, and Wikipedia. A podcast is a non-stream webcast. It consists of a series of digital media files that are released by episode and downloaded from the internet. The method of delivery for content distributors is different than the traditional downloads over the internet. A list of the podcast files associated with a given series is usually kept on the distributor servers as a web feed. The client uses special software to access the web feed, check for updates, and download any new files in the series. This process can be automated so that new episodes or files can be downloaded without user interaction. After acquisition, the podcast files are stored locally in the user's computers or mobile device, ready for offline use. Podcasts, in many ways, are closer to traditional publishing models associated with books and magazines than other web content. VCast. VCast is a 3G evolution data optimized network created by Verizon Wireless to deliver audio, video, and entertainment content to a mobile device. VCast provides downloads of music, streaming video clips, and games which can be saved to the phone or removable memory card. However, they cannot be read by other phones or computers because they are protected by digital right management software. Video playback and menu navigation in use of mobile technology required function. Without coverage, video playback is blocked. The real benefit of VCast network. It is ability to adapt to rapidly changing information content and disseminate information in real time. However, without a connection to a network, information cannot be disseminated and viewed. An active connection to a mobile network is not always possible during a military operation due to factors such as geography and interference. During these times, VCast technology will be enabled to function to its fullest and will provide only limited value. Applications for mobile device are third-party developed software programs designed specially for mobile users. This application can be downloaded to the mobile device and used immediately. They also follow for added control on how information is disseminated to mobile device and what type of information is sent and received. Preference about when to receive information updates, what types of information to receive automatically, and connectivity settings can be all customized by the user, allowing applications to be tailored to the environment they need to function in. Because many custom applications are targeted to a specific brand or hardware, they are often not cross-compatible in cases where multiple types of mobile devices are being used. This issue must be considered when implementing custom applications. Modern mobile devices have a number of different technologies to collect information, such as standard interconnections. Mobile device architecture usually have several components that communicate for data collection, transmission, storage, and retrieval. Information collection is typically composed of 3 main components: the data collection application, the data transfer system, and the server-side components to receive and store the data. The data collection application is the interface the user interacts with for data collection and transmission. There are about 6 popular types of data collection application, which is fixed format short messaging server. It utilizes the mobile device existing SMS capabilities to collect information. Using this type of data collection, the user provides answers to successive questions in a predefined format. Secondly, Java Micro Edition Platform is an application written in the Java programming language. It is loaded onto the mobile device where the user navigates through questions in the application, which collects the answers and submit the completed form to a server. Thirdly, web-based forms are forms published in an optimized format for mobile browsers, and online form is filled out utilizing a mobile web browser and then saved on the mobile device. Fourthly, voice data collection is when a user dials a number and chooses option for a menu. And other than that, wireless internet gateway menus use the wireless markup language to create data collection menus. And lastly, unstructured supplementary service data, in which the mobile user starts a session and is able to interact with the remote server by selecting number menu option. Conclusions to an information collection server-side systems. In my opinion, mobile is a component that verifies the collected information and either reject the information and notifies the information collector, or accept the data and insert it into the database. A database to store collected information, and a reporting system that can be accessed by both humans and external software systems. So that's it for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rahani Safika and I will continue about social media. We know that social media now very helpful and powerful in this era. So they enjoy the successful to disseminate information. And they change a lot of things, such as how people connect and communicate with each other, and how people engage with products and brands and also organization. There is a lot of social media that people really use nowadays, but I will talk about Twitter first. You'll be able to post link to other websites and tag certain terms to attract people to your post. So I will give example. You can put hashtag, any hashtag that trending in your country, such as hashtag Barang Murah Malaysia, hashtag Free COD, or any hashtag that related with your post. By tagging certain keywords such as that hashtag, you will attract people are more likely to going to see your post. The more chances when you put a lot of hashtag. Next is Instagram, but in Instagram, we largely focus on picture and short video content only, but you also can put a lot of trending hashtag on your post that related with your post. So people can search it by using the hashtag only. Next, you need to put a high quality video and very high quality picture, so this can attach more people attention. Other than that, you need to follow the trend to do a video content, such as doing a TikTok video that attract a lot of people to increase the engagement, because people nowadays using the TikTok to enjoy themselves. So another social media is Facebook. So in Facebook, you will be able to create group and page. I will give examples such as group COD Jalan Makan Angin Sungai Petani, group Jom Berniaga Malaysia, or any group. So you can create a sort of community of people to collaborate on your projects. You can discuss news, you can share news or anything, and you can learn together. This is why the Facebook is really helpful in our community. Lastly, I will talk about WhatsApp. We use WhatsApp almost every day to communicate with each other, but we also can use status WhatsApp to share information to our contacts. This also can attract people to see it. And other than that, you also can use a broadcast message to share information that related with your business or anything. So people can get your broadcast message when they save your contacts. So I can conclude that social media is the most effective for sharing and marketing to promote their work and share information with the world. And this also bring the dissemination of your contacts. So I can conclude that social media is the most effective for sharing and marketing to promote their work and share information with the world. And this also bring the dissemination of information goods.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amir Syafiqah binti Muhammad Saiful Anwar, and let's proceed to the next information dissemination medium, which is radio. Nowadays, radio is not the only medium for us to listen music, but we are also rely on radio for news, weather, and report traffic. Radio is part of everyday life. Most people listen to the radio for every single day while we are driving to work, when buying groceries at supermarket, and also while we are in public transportation such as LRT and monorail. Radio is in a great shape and it remains the powerful medium for information dissemination. Information can be delivered in a very relaxed way, and surprisingly, we can understand the info without any visible image. That's all from me. Thank you.